If you are in a place and you are face a problem with low tire air, what you will do? You will call your friends. They will take time to come to you. Yes, maybe you will say it. I have spare tire. Maybe the spare tire also same have low tire air. So what you will do? You're going to wait. Someone could save you. So better things. You have to keep compressor air with your car always. So, my friends, if you encounter a problem while you are somewhere with a flat tire, so this is your life saver. Okay, always keep this one in your car like that. It will go to save your life. If you are somewhere, you have problem with the tire. So this compressor air, it's easy to use it. Okay, just keep it here with the. You can keep that one there. Of course, you have to keep your engine on also. It is easy to use it. It's not cost much, maybe 6 real. Yeah, 6 real by online. You can use it easier, so no problem. I really always have problem with this tire. Every day in the morning I see low tire air, but this one is helping me. And also you can use it for your bike, you know. Small things can help you. Your life can save your life where you are. You have problem with the tire, low air tire, you don't know what will happen. So always keep this with you in your car. Thank you.